Make a great choice today with the 2008 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, anti-lock braking system, traction control, 3rd row seat, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.